do something really fun today. We're gonna do an activity at changing cars' color. But how do we do that? Oh, this is easy. We're gonna take each of Play-Doh. Niko's using red Play-Doh and I'm using teal Play-Doh. So, this car is blue and his is black. So we're gonna change color of the car. So this is how we do it. So we take a little Play-Doh, teal Play-Doh on mine, and here's Niko's mess right here. So here's my Play-Doh right here, and I know it's right here, so I'm putting it on top first, cause I don't really. I just like it on top first, cause I like it. By the way, I like it all the time first. So anytime you can do it. So this part right here is a little showing right here. So I'm gonna take it a piece and put it on, and you see how really easy it is. This is so this is really skinny right here, and the back is a little crumply. So on the door on the other side I'm doing, but I'm not doing the wheel parts. I'm just doing right here on the side. Guys, I'm gonna turn it around and I'm gonna let you see, because I don't want any people not seeing. I'm gonna turn it back to me and take a little Play-Doh. That's what I'm gonna put. And now I'm gonna put the door piece, and I'm not gonna do the wheel because I want it to drive. And this is gonna be the coolest experiment ever, guys. You know it? I know too. So we're doing right here. I did this right here, so not on the wheel I'll do. Not the wheel do. The boy is trying to copy me. He likes to copy. So that's how Niko's messy work is done. So we're still, this is Niko's job, and he's doing pretty good with his job. How you doing, buddy? Good. Okay, the boy is, okay, so Niko's doing good. I'm gonna keep right here. Okay, keep right here. And make the